Okay, in these two application problems, 17 and 18, we'll be looking at finding three numbers. Let's look at 17. Find three consecutive integers whose sum is 78. Here's an example of three consecutive integers, 56, 57, 58. If you sum them all together, they're going to sum to some number, not 78 in this particular case. Right. And then in number 18, find three consecutive even integers. So that'd be like 2, 4, and 6, or 12, 14, and 16. All right. Okay, so what we got is we have an unknown, so we'll let x be. Oh, we got to set our brushes up, which I forgot to do, as usual. And okay, all that looks good. All right, let's let x be in number 17 here. We're going to be working. We'll let x be that first integer. So the next integer would be x plus 1, and then the next integer would be x plus 2. So that would give us three consecutive integers. Well, if you just summed them up, x plus 1, which is our second integer, and then plus x plus 2, they should all sum to 78. So what we now have is an equation. Now let's simplify this equation. So we have some like terms. Underlying our like terms, we have three x's. And then we have some constants here, which are like terms. So that's going to be plus 3. And that's going to all equal to 78. Well, we've now simplified our equation. It's now time to solve for x. So go ahead and take this constant over to the right hand side first. And so we end up with, or you could say we're subtracting 3 from both sides. So we have 78 minus 3. Let's make that more defined. And of course 78 minus 3 is 75. And multiplying both sides by 1/3. And 1/3 of 75 is 25. So as you can see, our first integer, we'll write here, is 25, 26, and our third is 27. Three consecutive integers. And we said that they must sum to 78. And of course 25, 25, and 25 is 75. 26 is add 1, right, is 76. And then add 2 more from 27 gives us 76, 77, 78, yeah. So they all three sum to 78. Okay. Let's see, we got enough room? Yeah. Let's take a look at 18. In 18, it says find three consecutive even integers whose sum is 72. So this time they're even integers. They're even. So we'll let x be the first integer, x plus 2, and then x plus 4 be the third integer. Okay, so this works out. So what we want to do now is go ahead and add these up. So we have x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Alright, and that's all equal to 72. So collecting up our like terms, let's simplify this down. So once again we get 3x again plus, and then this time we get 2 plus 4 is 6, and that's equal to 72. Solving for x in this, we have 3x is equal to 72 minus 6, bring that 6 over, and 72 minus 6 is going to be 66. Three x, multiplying both sides by 1/3, and so 66 divided by 3 is 22. Okay, so that's going to be the smaller of the even integers. So we have 22, and I'm going to go ahead and do this time. 22, and then plus, what would our next integer be? 22, 23, 24, right? And our next integer would be 22 plus 4 is, or 24, 25, 26, let's just say that. And remember, it must sum to 72. So at this point, we're just assuming that it does, but let's go ahead and add it up, and it does, right? So your three integers are 23 even integers are 22, 24, and 26. Okay, so that works out. Alright, well, I'll see you right there in the next video or on my blog page, either one. Okay.